Yeah, playing with food. All right. Early on, you're early eater, 6, 7 months of age. When they're playing with food, it's because they don't know how to eat yet. And you might be like, oh, they're not eating it. Well, they're learning how to eat, right? We cannot be stressing about how much our babies are eating because they need lots of time to learn how to eat. So early on, your baby, they don't have their pincer grasp, right? They're using their whole hand or their palmar grasp to rake or scoop that food up and into their mouth. And it's gonna take them a while to get the hang of that. Your older baby, if they're playing with food, let's say you have a 10-month-old baby, right? 10-month-old babies can definitely respond to feelings of hunger and alleviate those with food if they've been practicing with food for about 4 months. When I see a 10-month-old baby come into the table and they're not hungry, I think 2 things. That baby either has too much milk or milk too close to meals or too many snacks, okay? We want to allow your baby to feel what I call casual hunger, okay? So 10-month-old babies, older babies, come to the table. They should be ready to eat. If they're not, take a look at what's happening before the meal and let's allow them to feel hungry.